So guys, I just had my roof redone because of hail damage, and I want to show you something. First off, this is my yard right here, and then if we go around over here, you'll see, like this little section right there, up to where the bricks are into the fence. So this little area right here. So here is what I found. Okay, so this is the front yard. All the nails that we found at the front yard. Now, they used a big magnet such as this. This magnet, is really large. It should pick up like all the nails. But this is what I found just in the front yard area. This is what I found on the side of my house, right here. You see all those, and I found a screw too, and I think that was from when they put fiber internet in. So that is just this portion. Say from the fence to where the yard is right here, and just this area right here. That's the AC unit to, like where you see right here, the bricks all the way over to the fence. So I'm doing it in sections. Anyways, just this area right here was that part of the nails that I found. Now, I'm going to show you how I picked up those nails. You get it at Harbor Freight, and if I can find the link, I'll put it here. Show you a picture of it. It's my friend's, actually, but he suggested that I would go ahead and go over it again because he said you'll find nails that they did not find. And he was absolutely right. So here is what I did. All right, so here's the magnet that I have to do this, and my phone is ringing, and I gotta go. Yeah, right, well, I got a phone call. So anyways, this is called a Power Pick magnet. All right, so here's what we're doing. Now, like I said, I've already done, this part over in here. So this over here, they, had a bunch of shingles back here in the yard. I mean, all the way out past my little fire pit thing, they had shingles way out there. So I am more than sure that I'm going to find nails here. So we're going to do a pattern. So basically what I do is I put my foot like right here and I run it out. And if you hear a little snap, then you detected a nail, or it may have picked up a nail. Sometimes you'll hear the snap and you'll look at it and there won't be any nail on it, and you'll go, okay, well, it found something because you heard that little click. So let's see. Oh, did you hear that little click? I don't know if you heard it or not. And there is a nail right there. And these are the kind of things you don't want to be like walking, and I love to walk in my yard, barefoot, and you don't want to step on these things. No, not at all. All right, so pick the nail, put it in my bucket. Let's go again over that same kind of area too, because there could be another one right in that same area. So let's listen again. Okay, I don't think I found anything on that run. Okay, I only found one nail in that little section that I did. Now, I like to do like a pattern, like I said, so I'm doing it, for instance, from where my foot is, I'm going out to where I can basically reach. So I know that I went, kind of in this area right in there. So I'll step over here a little bit back where I did in the same line and do it again. I go back and forth. Kind of surprised I haven't heard of any more nails out here yet. But they really didn't put any shingles right here in this area. hit something, but I think that was just a little rock. There's like rocks in here and they'll make noises. All right, let's see if I got anything. Nope. All right, you can kind of see where my line was, where I did it with this grass. Okay, so now, let's see. Okay, let's go this direction now. Okay, this is kind of boring because I'm not picking up anything. I only picked up one. Okay, I am in that pattern. Okay. So I tell you what, I'm gonna go change my there and go over here where they were dropping tons of shingles. Maybe I'll find a bunch more right over there and give you guys a little bit more of a clue as to what's going on. All right, we're gonna start from my deck right here, and I'm in my process of repainting my deck too. Insurance paid me to do that as well. So, all right, we're gonna start right here. Oh, look, there's a blue golf ball. It's actually a foam ball. Ah, just found one right there. Okay. Sorry, I don't have three hands, so. All right, nail. Yeah, not good. Oop. And my bucket. Actually, I need to bring my bucket with me so I know about where I was. Somewhere. Whoa, the camera went up in the sky. I think you guys get the idea. Just basically sweeping the yard. And when you hear that little clink, then you found it now. Aha. Yep. Found another one. There it is. Put my bucket. Put my bucket out here. And see, I am this far away from my house, and there's nails way out here. That's probably a good maybe 13 feet or so from my deck, and I found a nail. So I would suggest going out in your yard, quite a bit. This brown spot's where they were filling up their gas air compressor, so they spilled gas on my lawn, killed it just a little bit. See if I got any more out here. Oop, I hit my foot on the pole. It made a little noise. Okay, I'm pretty far out. I doubt they came out this far. All right, so now, being I was going out to about right there, I'll step out there and do it again and go back. Keep on that same line. And I would suggest when you hear that little clink, don't continue to go over the grass. Get that nail up off of your magnet, because it can drag the nail off of your magnet in the grass. Especially my grass is very thick. As you can see, it's like It's like super thick. And there's a nail right there. Found another one. Okay, get my bucket. It's not a bucket. It's just a cup. And there, I think, is another one. Click. And another one. All right. Nope. I heard another one. Yep. And there's another one. All right. So we found like 3 just in this area right in here. And I only saw one of those with the naked eye. Ooh. Definitely heard that. Okay. There's nothing on there, but I heard it. So let's see if we can find it. Where is it? Wow, it must be really buried in the grass. This is kind of thick right here. As you can see, it's really thick. Oh, man. I know I heard it. Grass is too thick. I need to cut it lower. But if I mow it, I'll I'll hit the nail. And that's no fun. I know I heard it. Okay, well, maybe I was imagining it. Yep. I don't have anything, so, okay. Maybe I was imagining that. It's starting to get a little windy. Anyways, I think you guys get the point of what I'm trying to do here, is that they don't find all the nails. You've got to go over your lawn again if they have redone your roof. And there's what my roof looks like, by the way. That's Thunderstorm Gray, Tampico up there. I really like it. It looks pretty. It's nice. And being that I'm a storm chaser, hey, that fits in. All right, guys. That's it for now. I'll see you guys later. It is hot out here. So, I need to get some water. All right, guys. Well, apparently I turned off the camera too early because just in the time I set my camera down, like right in this area, and I scanned this area up to the steps, I found like 10 nails. And so that's all the nails that I found just in half of my, well, portion of my yard. So like from right here where my foot is to that area over right there, I have found all those nails. When they said that they picked up all the nails, I beg to differ. They haven't. Well, when I finish the entire portion of my lawn, I'll tell you guys and show you how many nails that I actually picked up. Bye. I didn't count the nails, but this is the nails that I found in my yard using that little magnet. Now, it's very possible I missed some, but that's a good amount that I had found that they didn't find with their huge magnet. Later, guys. Until next time.